This is shadow wrap short row on the right side, or the knit side. So you're going to knit to where you're directed to wrap and turn, or where you're going to work your short row. Before you turn, you're going to work a knit through the right loop, which you can watch the video for that. You're just going to scoop up the right arm and knit it and directly pass it back over to the left needle. So you've got little shadows, stitches. Turn your work and purl back. And that's it. So when you come back to that stitch and you have to close that shadow wrap, or close your short row, instead of having to do anything fancy, you literally come to where you see those two stitches that are nestled together, and you just knit them together. And that's it.